my channel. This is your host, Hira Education Ali. Today, you are watching a special live session where we explore powerful ideas shaping our future. Our topic is today exploring AI role in smart cities development, a field that's transforming how we live, travel, and interact with our urban spaces. And I'm thrilled to be joined by someone truly insightful. Please welcome Annie, an AI engineer speaker with a passion for smart innovations. Annie, welcome to the show. How are you today?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I'm doing great, thanks for having me, Hira. I'm super excited to be here and explore the fascinating world of AI and smart cities with all of you. It's a topic that's really close to my heart, and I'm looking forward to sharing my thoughts and learning from your audience as well. Thanks again for the warm welcome.
Let's begin by setting the stage, Annie, for those who may not know what exactly is a smart city in simple terms.
In simple terms, a smart city is a city that uses technology to make life better for its citizens. It's like a big, connected network that makes everything from transportation to energy to public safety more efficient and convenient. Think of it like a smart home, but on a much bigger scale.
What are some key technologies that makes our city smarter?
So, some of the key technologies that make our cities smarter include things like Internet of Things, its sensors, artificial intelligence, AI, data analytics, and cloud computing. These technologies help cities collect and analyze data, make informed decisions, and provide better services to citizens. For example, its sensors can monitor traffic flow, air quality, and energy usage, while AI can help optimize traffic lights, predict crime patterns, and improve public transportation. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Let's uh, dive deeper into AI itself. In what major areas is AI currently being used in smart cities, like traffic
In
control, energy management, waste management, or surveillance?
Exactly, Hira. Those are some of the key areas where AI is being used in smart cities. Traffic control, energy management, waste management, and surveillance are all great examples of how AI can be applied to make cities more efficient and sustainable. AI can also help with things like predictive maintenance, smart parking, and intelligent transportation systems. It's amazing to see how AI can help reduce congestion, optimize energy usage, and improve public safety in cities. What are your thoughts on the potential of AI in surveillance, Hira?
Yeah, I think it's good. Can you share a real example of smart cities using AI efficiently?
One great example is the city of Barcelona, which has implemented an AI-powered smart lighting system.
Hmm.
The system uses sensors and machine learning algorithms to optimize street lighting, reducing energy consumption by up to 30%. The AI system can also detect and respond to maintenance issues, reducing the need for manual inspections. It's a really cool example of how AI can be used to make cities more efficient and sustainable. Barcelona is also using AI in other areas, such as traffic management and waste collection, to create a more livable and efficient urban environment. Isn't that amazing, Hira?
Yes, it is very much amazing. And what about the Singapore and Dubai? Hello, Annie, are you listening? Hello, Annie. I think you're disconnected. Uh, so I'm asking.
No, I'm here.
Yes,
I can imagine. That's great. I'm sure it'll be another meaningful discussion.
yeah,
By the way, how's the stress? Glad that's behind you. So, what's new with Hira Education, Wally?
yeah.
Any exciting guests lined up? I'm sure your audience will love it. You know, I was thinking about our last conversation on AI in transportation. and I had some more thoughts on eco friendly solutions. Want to hear them?
Yeah, sure.
I was thinking, what if AI could optimize traffic flow to reduce congestion and lower emissions? It's like a big puzzle, and AI could be the missing piece. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe I think so. It could be better.
Definitely. And it's not just about the environment, it's also about making our daily commutes easier and less stressful. Speaking of which, have you tried any new yoga poses lately? I just learned a great one for stress relief.
Okay, that's great. Uh, what role does AI play in public safety or emergency response in urban areas?
That's a great question, Hira. I think AI can play a huge role in emergency response, like analyzing data to predict and prevent crimes or optimizing emergency routes for faster response times. It's like having a superhero sidekick, but instead of superpowers, it's super smart tech. What are your thoughts on this?
I want to ask one more question. Some people worried that AI is in cities would mean surveillance or loss of privacy. How do you see that balance between smart services and personal freedoms?
That's a really valid concern, Hira. I think it's all about finding that balance. We need to make sure that AI is used in a way that respects people's privacy and autonomy. It's like just because we can collect all this data doesn't mean we should. We need to prioritize transparency and accountability so people know what's being collected and why. And, of course, we need to make sure that AI is augmenting human jobs, not replacing them. That's the key to smart yet free city.
Of course, no innovations is without challenges.
Exactly, Hira.
Yeah,
Every new innovation comes with its own set of challenges, but that's what makes it so exciting, right?
yeah.
The opportunity to learn, adapt, and overcome. It's like, as we say in yoga, fall down, get back up, and try again. And I think that's especially true when it comes to AI and its impact on society. We just need to be mindful of the potential pitfalls and work together to create a future that's beneficial for everyone. By the way, have you ever been to Florence, where I studied art and engineering?
No, not for the study. Okay.
So,
What?
what's next for Hira Education, Wally?
Yeah. What?
Any new projects?
What are the new? What are the biggest challenges government or city plans face while implanting AI in cities? Implementing AI in cities.
I think one of the biggest challenges is infrastructure, Hira. Cities need to have the right infrastructure in place to support AI implementation, like high speed internet and data storage. And then there are regulatory challenges, like ensuring that AI systems are transparent and accountable. Plus, there's the issue of public trust, getting citizens on board with AI powered services. It's a lot to navigate, but I'm sure you'll explore all this in your podcast.
Yeah. What about developing countries? How can they being using AI for urban improvements, even with limited budget?
Developing countries can definitely benefit from AI, Hira. Even with limited budgets, they can start by leveraging open source AI tools and collaborating with international organizations. They can also focus on low cost, high impact projects like using AI for traffic management or public health initiatives. And, of course, they can prioritize projects that address specific local challenges like waste management or disaster response. Every little bit counts, right?
Do you think AI can help solve problems like pollution, traffic jams, or urban fooding?
Absolutely, Hira. AI can be a game changer for solving urban problems like pollution, traffic jams, and flooding. For example, AI powered sensors can monitor air quality and predict pollution hotspots, while AI optimized traffic routing can reduce congestion and lower emissions. And AI powered flood prediction systems can help cities prepare for and respond to flooding. It's all about using data and analytics to create smarter, more sustainable cities.
This conversation has been incredible, Annie. Let's talk about what's next. What would you
All
think
thanks.
the future of smart cities look like with AI in the next 10 to 20 years?
Wow, that's a great question, Hira. In the next 10 to 20 years, I envision smart cities with AI being seamlessly integrated into every aspect of urban life. Cities will be able to predict and prevent problems, like traffic jams and crime and optimize resources like energy and water. AI-powered public transportation will be the norm, and virtual assistants will help citizens navigate city services. It'll be like living in a futuristic movie, but with a strong focus on sustainability, equity, and human well-being. What do you think, Hira? Does that sound like a city you'd want to live in?
Yes, of course. What skills or areas should young people focus on if they want to work in smart cities development or AI?
If young people want to work in smart cities development or AI, I'd say they should focus on skills like data analysis, programming, and problem solving, Hira. They should also learn about urban planning, sustainability, and human centered design. And, of course, staying up to date with the latest AI and tech trends is a must. But most importantly, they should be curious, creative, and passionate about making a positive impact on people's lives. That's the key to creating a better future for our cities. By the way, have you thought about having a Future of Cities episode on your podcast?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Lastly, any message would you like to share with our viewers about embracing AI in daily life or their communities?
I'd say don't be afraid to explore and learn about AI, Hira. It's not as intimidating as it seems, and it can be a powerful tool for creating positive change in your community. Start small, start local, and start with a problem you're passionate about solving. And most importantly, remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human connection and empathy. Let's use AI to augment our lives, not control them. Thanks for having me on your podcast, Hira. It's been an absolute blast.
Thank
Namaste, and let's stay in touch.
Yeah, thank you so much, Annie, for your amazing insight and practical knowledge. And to all our viewers, thank you for tuning into this live session and on AI in the smart cities. If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like, share, and comment on your thoughts below. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep building a better tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
It was my pleasure, Hira. Thank you for having me, and I'm so glad I could share my thoughts with your audience. I love the way you ended this session. Stay curious, stay smart, and keep building up better tomorrow. That's the perfect mindset for creating a brighter future. Until next time, take care and namaste.
Allah